We've previously taken a close look at the Sabrent Thunderbolt 3 dual NVMe enclosure, which turned out to be a fantastic drive allowing the flexibility to use two NVMe SSDs, whether independently or in a RAID array. Well, if you're after a USB-C compatible solution, then Sabrent have you covered there too, with an added feature in the form of offline cloning. We found a flexible and versatile drive with the Thunderbolt 3 to NVMe dual SSD enclosure, providing the ability to insert two NVMe SSDs and set them up how you like. Well, if you're not rocking Thunderbolt 3 and are after a USB-based solution, this is it, although with an added trick up its sleeve too. This tool-free enclosure is the perfect solution for not only docking NVMe SSDs, but also for cloning them. The unit itself carries a little extra bulk and weight over the Thunderbolt 3 variant too, which is understandable considering the extra features it provides. Saying that, weighing in at just over 280 grams, the unit is still easily portable enough to carry along with your gear, and just like many other drives in the Sabrent range, sports a full aluminum external structure for maximum heat dissipation. NVMe drives can get rather hot, and so that metal construction will certainly help draw heat away from the memory chips inside, although we also find venting holes down both sides of the drive which allow cool air to enter, while the holes at the top of the device hide an active cooling fan too. In essence, all this working together should keep the NVMe SSDs cool enough to avoid any throttling during heavy usage. Bear in mind though, as we have moving parts by way of the fan here, expect the drive to emit some noise. It won't be completely silent. Nevertheless, on one end of the drive we have the unit's main power button alongside a small status indicator, a power port, used with the included power adapter as the unit is not bus powered considering it needs the extra juice to run two SSDs simultaneously as well as drive that cooling fan, a USB Type-C port with a short Type-C to Type-C cable, as well as a Type-C to Type-A cable also included in the package, providing backwards compatibility for older systems. The USB port is of course being used when connecting to a computer, although disconnect that cable and we can run the unit in offline mode with a single button on the top that allows cloning of drive A directly to drive B. Perfect for upgrading to a larger NVMe SSD for instance. A row of status indicators highlight progress so it's easy to tell when the job is complete. And just like many other drives in the Sabrent range, we have a completely tool-free drive installation process thanks to a quick release lid on the bottom of the device. Simply pull to release. It's that easy. Inside we find the main controller chipset, along with space for two NVMe SSDs to be installed alongside each other, with the most common sizes being compatible, and with rubber grommets provided in the package helping to keep the opposite end of the drive securely in place. I'll be using Sabrent Rocket SSDs in this example. Not only do these drives tend to perform well, they're reliable, yet reasonably priced too. So with the drive installed at an angle, push down and hold into place with the rubber grommet provided. And repeat for the second drive. Note that you can run the unit with one drive for now. There's no requirement to install a second and you can always leave it free for future expansion if you prefer. With drives installed, we simply insert one end of the covering plate into place and push down to lock the spring-loaded bearing securely into position. And with that, drive installation is complete. All that's left is to connect both power and the USB Type-C cable in order to attach to a computer. Both Windows and Mac platforms are supported with no drivers or other software installation being needed, and with two drives installed we can simultaneously access both. For instance, we can use one as a backup destination and the second as a working drive, a very versatile solution. Note that USB 3.2 supports data transmission speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second for steady and efficient data transfer, and the speeds we see here pretty much hit the top end of what we can expect from such an interface. The unit is backwards compatible with USB 3.1 and USB 3 as well though, with the appropriate cable being included, although will of course run at respective speed limits. Alternatively, with two drives of the same capacity, we can even create a RAID array. You'll need your own software solution to do this. I personally prefer to use SoftRAID, and by creating a striped array we instantly have a single higher capacity drive. Although if data is mission critical for you, then a mirrored array is also possible, creating an automatic backup of your data as you work. Note that since we have an active cooling fan within the unit, the drive does emit some noise, so if you're after something completely silent, then it's a point to note regardless. Of course, this drive also comes with that offline cloning feature too. So let's say drive A in this example has been removed from a computer and contains the operating system and data, while drive B is a new higher capacity SSD that I wish to upgrade to. With the USB cable removed, we switch the unit on, and hit the clone button on the top of the drive to begin the cloning process. This will copy all data from drive A to drive B, with handy status LEDs on the top indicating progress. This could of course take a while depending upon the size of your drives, but you can literally leave it alone to do its thing. Once complete, we can remove our new cloned drive, insert into your computer, and enjoy a higher capacity drive with the operating system and all data intact. It really is that simple. No software required at all. This really is a seriously versatile drive, whether you wish to use a single NVMe SSD, 2 drives simultaneously, or even in a RAID array for the best performance or higher data redundancy, or simply as a completely independent standalone unit for cloning drives without any software or computer required whatsoever. The Sabrent dual enclosure with offline cloning is a fantastic piece of kit to have at your disposal. Add to that the unmatched build quality as well as great cooling system, and as long as you're not after a completely silent unit, this enclosure is a must-have.